Hello coin engineers and welcome to another episode of Aptos blockchain playlist. In this video, we will talk about Ditto Finance and its services while trying to participate in a possible airdrop. As a bonus, we will have a chance to get a guaranteed prize too. Before we start, don't forget to check our Aptos blockchain playlist to learn more about the ecosystem and participate in the airdrops that you haven't heard of before. As you know, we participated in Aptos Labs NFT minting event in testnet stage and made nearly $1.5 grand right after the launch of mainnet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more. If you're ready, let's start. First, we will learn what does Ditto Finance do and what is liquid staking. Then we will move on to possible airdrop and guaranteed rewards that we are going to get. It's crucial to know everything in this video, since if you don't know the first parts of this video, you cannot do the rest. So watch till the end and hit the thumbs up as a thank you. Ditto Finance is a liquid staking provider on Aptos blockchain. As you know, blockchains need validators to keep the network up and running, and while doing that, these validators help the creation of blocks and securing the network. Of course, all those work isn't free. Network rewards those validators with a native coin. In Aptos, it's APT coin. If you are holding just APT and do nothing, you will be diluted since new Aptos coins will get into circulation with each epoch, which means the reward distribution time in our case. To make it quite simpler to understand, if you want to be a validator, you need at least 1 million APT coins staked, and most of us cannot do that since it's worth millions of dollars with the current market price. But there's an easy solution for this. Liquid staking providers on Aptos blockchain helps you to get your coins easily staked and gets you rewarded with APT coins that you deserve. How do they do this? Let's learn it now with using Ditto Finance. Click on the link in the descriptions of this video or write your browser dittofinance.io to enter this website. Then click on the launch app button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. To use the application, you need a Web3 wallet which works on Aptos blockchain. I'm using Petra wallet for that. If you don't have one yet, click on the link in the descriptions to watch our Petra wallet tutorial to create your wallet in just minutes. Then click on the connect button at the top right corner of your screen to connect your wallet to Ditto Finance. You can use any wallet you want that you are seeing right now. Using Petra is not a must, but I'm using Petra. If you don't have APT coins in your wallet, you can send it from Binance or FTX exchange. You can register to those exchanges through the links in the descriptions with a lifetime commission discount. To use the liquid staking service, you will stake your APT to the website and get STAPT, which is a proof that your APT is staked to the APT pool in the ecosystem, and the pool is staked on the blockchain to earn APT rewards. As you can see, there's a 7% yearly rewards as of today. Your rewards compound in your STAPTs, and when you want to unstake them, click on the unstake button, which is just over the API text. Then write the amount or click on the max, then click unstake to get your STAPTs as APT coins. And you can see how much APT that you will get. As you can see on the screen, when I unstake my STAPTs, I will get slightly more APT coins, thanks to my previous rewards. You will be able to use your STAPT on lending protocols as collaterals, NFT marketplaces, DEXs and much more as Ditto states. Now let's make an example and learn how to stake your APT to get STAPTs. I will stake 3 APT to Ditto. To do that, I wrote here 3 and then I will click on the stake APT button. Approve the message coming from your wallet, and that's easy like this. You can click on the View in Explorer text to see the transaction on the blockchain. Now let's talk about the possible airdrops and how can we participate. There are 3 different options to get a possible airdrop, and one of them is the guaranteed way to get some prizes, which we will talk in this video. First way is joining their Discord server. Click on the link in the descriptions and join Ditto's Discord server. In the server, you must get an OG role. To get it, you must complete Crew 3 events to earn XP. When you become level 7 on Crew 3, you'll be able to get your OG role and earn a possible airdrop. To use Credit3, click on the link in the descriptions and register with your Discord account which you have used to join Ditto's server. Second way is using the platform with each way you can use, but on staking. After staking your APT coins, click on the rewards button which is at the top left corner of your screen. In this section, you can stake your STAPT, STAPT, APT liquidity, or STAPT USDC uncolorated LP tokens to earn DTO discount tokens. You might want to ask, what is DTO? Let me introduce you the possible airdrop then. Ditto Finance will launch DTO tokens to create a decentralized governance on its platform with much more use cases and benefits. While doing this, DTO will be the main token. You can learn more about tokenomics and other things from this Medium article. Link in the descriptions again. And as you can see, there's a question about airdrop too. This is why we are using Ditto. We said earlier that in the reward section, you earn DTO discount tokens. With those tokens, you'll be able to buy DTO tokens with a discount from the market price. Check out this article through the link in the descriptions to learn more about DTO pre-mining program. And this was a guaranteed price that we were talking about. By the way, OGs will get 25% more DTO discount tokens, so make sure you get the OG role from their Discord. Click on the links below. Also, they might make an airdrop to OGs specially. This is why we are trying to get the role. Now let's learn how to stake our STAPTs into these pools to increase our chance to get the possible airdrop. You can stake your STAPT directly to the first pool. You can see that I have more than 4 STAPTs in my wallet right now, and I will stake one of them to the STAPT token pool to show you how can you do it. I will enter my amount as 1 and I will click on the stake button. Then approve the message coming from your wallet and you can see the stake success message. Now my staked amount is increased to 3 while my wallet balance decreased. At the second and third pool, you must use liquid swap to create liquidity tokens. Liquidity tokens are basically proof of joining the liquidity pools. You deposit the exact dollar amount of 2 different tokens to a pool which traders trade on. They put one of those tokens and get the other one out, and you earn trading fees while they are doing so. To add liquidity, open Liquid Swap through the link in the descriptions and select STAPT and APT. You can do this by clicking on those little downwards icons and writing here the names of the tokens that you want to select. As you can remember, there are 2 different liquidity options that we can stake in Ditto Finance. One of them is APT and STAPT, the other one is STAPT and USDC. Don't forget to select uncorrelated while staking STAPT and USDC if you want to participate to this pool. I will participate to APT STAPT pool, so I will select APT to the top side and I will add liquidity with the full amount that I have. I will click on this balance text to write the maximum amount and the liquid swap will automatically write the needed APT amount to the top side. To finalize it, click on the add liquidity button, then confirm this. And the last step, click on the approve button from the message coming from your wallet. As you can see, my transaction is submitted and it executed successfully. Now I will close this and get back to Ditto Finance. Now let's stake our LP tokens to the Ditto Finance. You can do this by entering the amount to this section or just clicking on the max. Click on the max and then click on stake. If you want to unstake, click on this unstake button and do the same steps. Enter your amount, then click on unstake button. And this is the end of our video. In this video, we have used 2 different protocols and tried to get airdrops from those protocols. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. See you in the next one.